Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna teach you my effect, which is called Twisted Kings. If you don't know, this is how it looks like. So now you've seen this move in action, and let's start from the exposed view. I'll show you how this works. So you have 4 kings, or 4 any different card, 4 of a kind, and you position cards like this. And you start by placing this top card in your left hand in between the cards in your right hand, and you do the motion towards yourself like that. And as these top three cards align, they hide the bottom card, and what you do is you just turn this bottom card face up, and you continue this 3 more times. So you do like this, turn this card, and with the right hand take the bottom 2 cards and repeat the motion. Turn, and one more time, turn, like that. So now let's get into the details of how to do this properly. So take 4 of a kind, 4 same cards. I use 4 kings, preferably with simple back design, so it will be easier for spectator to follow and see how the cards are twisting. Take 2 cards to your right hand, 2 to the left, in this position. So the top card kind of slide it a little bit diagonally over the bottom one, and same thing with the right hand. Now what you do is, with the right hand you do the motion to yourself like that, and as you do that, place the top card in your left hand in between the cards in your right hand, like that. So these cards go in between this one, like that. Okay, like that. Now as you do this, you're gonna use these top 3 cards to hide the bottom card. So what you do is you place this top card in between, slide, align them, and as you hide the bottom card, just use your index, middle and ring finger of your left hand and middle and ring finger of your right hand to rotate, to flip the bottom card like that. Okay, and all of this is hidden like that. So now it's rotated. So you slide, rotate, and now after you've rotated the bottom card with your right hand, take the 2 bottom cards and just take them out. Now you are at the same position as you started, with 1 card turned face up. You repeat the same motion again. Place this card, this top card in your left hand in between cards in your right hand. Slide, rotate the bottom card, and grab 2 bottom cards with your right hand, separate them and repeat the motion like that. And one last time, you flip it and you're done. This trick works better for camera magic, for outline magic. You also can do it live. The only thing is you have to be aware of this sound motion when the card is flipped. So when the card is flipped, you can hear this, right? So in order to hide it a little bit more, you have to keep your flow very steady. So another tip I can give you is, if you very smooth this, after you've done your first phase of this trick, At this point, what you can do is you can do the same thing again and turn the cards face down. Yeah, like that. So this can be a two-phase routine where the first phase is you turn the cards face up, the second phase you turn them face down again. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Drop your comment below and let me know what you think about this trick. Practice it, post your videos on Instagram, just tag me and I'll watch it. I'll comment my opinion, and thank you. Until next time.